He started working with Royal Caribbean in 2013 as a dancer on Voyager of the Seas. Looking back on the past 10 years, the dance captain says he's living his best life.
I absolutely love the shows, the quality and the standards. I could grow not only as a performer and a professional, but also as a person.
Along his journey of personal and professional growth, Domenico also had the chance to fulfill a bucket list dream.
One of my dreams, which was being in Cats. My mom came to cruise and she was in tears when she watched me performing Cats because she knew how much that meant to me.
Working alongside top-tier talent inspires him to bring his best to work every day. Looking ahead in his career, he hopes to inspire a new generation of performers.
I would love to become a show director after I, hang my dancing shoes. I'd love to be able to pass my experience and my knowledge to the fresh talent.